So this is the Markonahalli Dam. This is a viewpoint. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of Malva videos. Stay tuned until the next one. Give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Until the next one, just goodbye from this short Markonahalli Dam. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.